with Mick Aramay. Right, Saesneg am y darn nesa, right? Right, there's one person in particular I'd like to thank, who I owe a lot of thanks to, and that of course is my long-suffering, beautiful and wonderful wife Claire. One of Claire's friends, I won't name her, but one of Claire's friends a couple of weeks ago said to me, she said, you know what Chris, Claire doesn't deserve you. But actually, I said, oh thanks very much. But she looked very puzzled at me. And what she'd actually said is, I don't know what Claire's done to deserve you, Claire. That's Chris. Anyway, I certainly don't deserve Claire. She deserves a medal for putting up with me.
Oh, sure.
I drive her up the wall with all my Saith Seren shit, as she calls it. And, you know, when your own wife deletes you as a Facebook friend, you know, you really should get the message that you're boring everyone to death, you know. But she's back as a Facebook friend now. And when I first suggested Saith Seren as a venue, you know, she wasn't very impressed, but she's calmed down and she's done a fantastic job getting the place ready, sorting the cake. She was here cleaning on Sunday and she sorted the hog roast and the cake and everything, and she's done a fantastic job. Now, when you reach a milestone like I'm about to reach, you tend to look back at previous milestones, and when I think back 10 years ago, if somebody told me that in the next 10 years I'd have a beautiful wife, 3 fantastic kids, I'd be helping to run a Welsh pub, and have a great bunch of friends like you. You know, I'd have thought you were talking bollocks.
You forgot the family?
Oh, and a wonderful family as well, of course, in the Roestathlin Mafia. Anyway, yeah, I'd just like to say, you know, thanks from the bottom of my heart to Claire, because she's made all this possible. Diolch yn fawr, Claire. Right, gobeithio chi wedi mwynhau heno. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you're looking for a venue for a celebration of any sort, you know, give me a call. We'll do you a good deal.
I'm going.
Okay, right, dyna ddigon o nonsens gyda fi. Right, dyn ni'n mynd I chwarae cwpl o ganeuon, couple of songs, and the first one is one of Claire's favourites. She loves it when I give the background to this song, but I'll spare you that. Anyway, and I hope you'll join in with the chorus, okay? Alright, come on in. Sgorio gyda fi, sgorio, 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 sgorio dag y manda, yn gwybod syniadau, sgorio dag y manda. Ti mor hawliau, ti fel bod yn yr ariau, weithiau rwy ti'n orfod, yma'n rhaid I fi gael cawod, sgorio, Diolch yn fawr i Nick a'r band am cyfro fi fan'na. Reit, un gan arall, hwn yn arbennig ar gyfer yr athrawon yn yr dafarn. This is especially for the teachers in the house. Dwi angen cymor, fedrai'm cael dim ar bord, dwi wedi cael tom bol hel.
Mae gen i trwydded dawnsio.
Oce, mae gen i un arall os ydych chi isio. Ond cyn i mi wneud y gan ola, sy'n ni licio llongyfarch i hen ffrind i fi, Gareth Hughes, sydd wedi dod yn dad yn ddiweddar iawn am y tro cyntaf, so mae'n glychu pen y babi heno. I'm just congratulating Gareth Hughes, my old friend, who's recently become a father for the first time. He had a lovely daughter, Becca Fleer, and most of us here know what it's like in the first few months, that sleepless nights, crying for mum, wet in the bed, but I'm sure Gareth will soon get over the shock and he'll stop doing that, and everything will be back to normal. Anyway, dyma'r gan ola, this is the last one for me, you'll be pleased to hear. Okay, rockin' on music. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Roi mi chydig bach o rock and roll music. Hear you want to tell me, I'm gonna give you a feel of rhythm. I think what more I'm saying. Climbing down rock and roll music. Also teach you notion of me. Also teach you notion of me. It's gonna be the man who knows a jazz. Sounding California, the hour fast. I thought you never put the melody. It's more than something but the symphony. Roi mi chydig bach o rock and roll music. Ain't you part of music. I'm gonna give you a feel of rhythm. And ain't what more I'm feeling. Climbing down rock and roll music. Also teach you notion of me. Also teach you notion of me. I'm gonna take us on a jubilee. Want us back and joy a jamboree. Of all the dance you have, you love it free. I can't redeem us on reality. Growing you down in like rock and roll music. In Newport and Kennedy, I'm gonna give you a feel of rhythmic. I think what more I'm begging. Crying out rock and roll music. y mambo, yr un gynnar i'r Congo. So Carimani, rock your piano, rhoi mi dynnu ar rock and roll music. Y ddim rhyw ffordd o gynnig, mae gen y geiriau glir yn rhyddig, y deimlad mor arbennig. Rhoi mi gael rock and roll music, os ydych chi'n dysgu fi, os ydych chi'n dysgu fi. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Beatles Cymraeg.
Diolch yn fawr iawn i Nick Alban.